Hello mates, welcome back to another session for my trading signals and let's cover my predictions. Remember, we're covering Tesla and Forex, and basically this is going to be one of the last sessions. I think the next around Thursday will be the actual last, so you have time already to prepare your suggestions. If you want me to cover some specific financial predictions, remember this is only traditional finance, okay? I'm not talking about cryptocurrencies because I have my own separate channel for cryptocurrencies if you want those kind of information, okay? So before I begin detailing these charts and the trading signals for the next days, I want to invite you all to subscribe, like and share so we can keep growing, okay? So today is the 24th of March. It was a quite surprising day for Tesla, to be honest with you, because we jumped a drastic, very big jump actually. It's a very nice uptrend, around 8%, something like that, possibly a little bit more. And this follows a previous uptrend, an impulse on the 21. So very powerful recovery for Tesla. Now it's nowhere near levels that we would like to see, for example back to the January or December levels, but it's a start. It could be the start of a reversal, which I think can happen because I have not made predictions, monthly predictions for Tesla, but the ones that I have made for cryptocurrencies show that the next few months are going to be very bullish. So maybe this is the start of what I was talking about. Regardless of that, I was not expecting such a powerful impulse in these days. We had the indicator for potential volatility right here on the 24. Yellow circles always mean either volatility or range. So there was that, but it was not as explicit as really consistent. For example, one of the most successful and explicit volatility patterns is when we have a day share by opposite energies. For example, in the case of the 26, you can see it's both in the green circle and in the red one. So we have a day share by opposite energies. That's one of the most successful volatility patterns in my charts. So we had this powerful impulse. Now the next few days could be, I was expecting, if anything, this kind of impulse by the 25-26, because these days are the ones that show, especially maybe the 26 is the most likely, because it's showing extreme potential for volatility, and it shows opportunity zone right here, the box, which you guys know, the boxes always have a higher hierarchy. Well, not always, but many times they do. So yeah, I was expecting maybe, if anything, such a movement for these days. Now it came early, so it was kind of interesting to see that. Now we'll see a massive correction soon, around these days. It will be hard to pin down. Maybe if I were to say, it could be the 27, but maybe we can see more than just one. So maybe tomorrow or around the 26 could be very volatile. We'll have to be prepared because this is really quite a surprise. I was not expecting this at all. So that should do for the next, basically the rest of the week, the coming week. That's basically right here. It starts today on Monday. So we'll finish this one around 27 and around the 28, 29. Possibly many of these days. Wait, I'm trying to 28. Only the 30 is going to be an actual market day. Yeah, for some reason I forgot to destroy this 29 circle. But anyways, 20, the 30, 31, I think. Yeah. Maybe it's going to be a volatile day, kind of undecided, because it falls on the yellow circle right here. So yeah, it might not be as clear of a correction. Really, everything can happen in this week. This is the final week for all intents and purposes. The final day, which will be Monday on the next coming week after this one, is going to be already basically mostly just for one single day, which is going to be Monday. So yeah, that's all for Tesla. Let's take a look at the Forex chart. Now the Forex chart, like I told you, it's showing some stagnation signals. I mean, it's not going upwards anymore. It's having some trouble. In fact, it's got its peak around the 19th of March, which I told you it could be a very volatile day, and it was. You can see right here. But it's basically the peak of the British pound. After that, I was very sure that we will see the price weaken and the position go even lower. Now, for example, today the signals were much better. I was really everything that came to pass was according to my predictions. For example, you can see right here that the 20 or 21 we will see a powerful impulse. Now, obviously the 20 was not that good, but the 21 was, because you can see that this is around where the day starts. Okay, not the 21, so the 23 actually. So none of these 2 days, 21, 20, 20, 20 or 21 were not market days. I mean, they were not that good. I mean, guys, I'm so confused right now because I am working on many other things and I have many things in my head right now, but yeah, it must be kind of tired anyways. So I was really talking about the 23 green, yeah, and a green circle, green day, exactly like I predicted. You can see from the lowest to the highest point in that day, we're talking about around 50%, something like that. So quite kind of decent for Forex. Now on the 24, much more volatile day. You can see right here, this is where the day starts, around here, and so far this is where it's currently at. So we're talking about from the starting position to the lowest, almost 30%, and to the current position 20%. So again, volatile day, especially right here on the peak and the downfall of that high. So much more according to my predictions. I'm not really surprised right here. So the next coming days could be 25, could be kind of, I think it's going to be a range. I don't see any clear, I mean, it could be volatile, but it's not as clear as the other pattern that I just talked about. So 26 could be a green day, or if anything, not as bad of a correction, but around the 28 and possibly extending all the way to the 30th of March. And the final days, basically, it's going to be, I think, mostly bearish. That's where I think the British pound will continue to weaken and is going to reach a lower low. Maybe somewhere around those levels of the 10th of March, maybe even lower, depends on how these corrections are, if they are very volatile or not. But yeah, guys, that's basically all I have for you for the next coming days. Again, give me your comments, your suggestions, your insights, if you want to see some other stocks, some Forex pairs, whatever, cover in my predictions. All you have to do is write down in the comments and I'll take a look at your suggestions. So having said that, I wish you a good day. See you guys later. You guys know, like, share and subscribe, and take care.